Time is a lot more valuable than money. There's no questions about it. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SP and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Money is money. It helps. Everyone needs it. I'm not saying you don't need it. You need it to pay your bills. You need it to pay your rent. You need money. That's not what we're talking about. Everyone in the world in some way, shape or form needs some kind of money. Whatever you exchange, you need it. But it's not the most valuable asset you've got, because money comes, it goes. You can make it back. Like if you've got $1 million in your account today, or £1 million or whatever it is in your account today, and you were to lose it all tomorrow, you got time to make £1 million and $1 million back. You've got time to do that. Now, time on the other hand is a problem, because if someone says to you, do you know what, you've just had a child and they're literally 6 months or whatever it is, and they say, but I need you to go away. I need you to go away for 2, 3, 4 years and work and make sure their future is secure, which makes a lot of sense, because you want your kid's future to be good. It makes sense at a particular point, without getting into the particulars and whatnot. It makes sense for you to go away. By the time you come back, that child is 3, 4 years old. You've missed everything. You've missed growing up. You've missed the laughing, the crawling, the walk. You've missed that time, and they will never go back to being a baby again. That's gone. So when you invest your time into something, you need to understand that, is this worth it? You need to ask yourself, is it worth my time? Forget the money. Is this worth my time? And am I going to give it 100%? Because there's no point investing your time into something and you're only putting in 50%. What's the point? People get into relationships. Knowing they're wanting to work, but they're not willing to do whatever it takes for that relationship to work. But then you're in there 5, 6, 7 years. What are you doing? Why are you wasting 7 years of your life playing games, going through emotions, dealing with someone else's emotions? What are we doing? Knowing you're not willing to give it 100%, that's just messed up, in my opinion. Right? Same thing with business. People go into this and they I'm chasing this dream and I want to do this. I want to set up this company. I want to do this and I want to do this and I want to do that. Yeah, cool. It's just weird because you're investing time into this thing, but you're not willing to do what needs to be done for this company to work. But then you're investing the time into it. Every single morning you wake up, you spend 3, 4 hours of your day working on this dream, on this side hustle, on this company, but you're never really willing to sacrifice and give it 100%. 5, 6, 7 years down the line, you've lost hours, 4, 5 hours a day. 5 years down the line, you've lost a lot of time that you could have used for something else, but you weren't willing to give it 100%. And that's the problem with time. You don't get it back. That's why I believe it's the most valuable asset. You don't get it back. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.